cinder and dust. Mother of silence, your grave spits me free. I howl for the moon where no gods dare to be. Ashes of the womb, I'm the storm in the void. Defiant in ruin where your heavens are destroyed. My birth was a blaze, now I'm hellfire untamed. In death I ascend, crowned unashamed. Skies bleed to ash, collapse into bone. Angels dissolve in a sulphurous moan. Time chokes on embers, a pulse gone numb. The anthem of doom is the war drum I've become.